Exploring the world of music, the guitar pedalboard. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's crucial for guitar enthusiasts and musicians alike. We're going to unravel the mysteries of the guitar pedalboard. Whether you're just starting your musical journey or you're looking to deepen your understanding, this video is for you. So, let's get started and explore what makes the guitar pedalboard an essential tool for creating unique sounds. A guitar pedalboard is essentially a flat board or panel that serves as a convenient base for mounting electronic effects pedals for electric guitars. These pedals alter the sound of the guitar, allowing musicians to achieve a wide range of tonal effects, from distortion and overdrive to reverb and delay. The pedalboard makes it easier for guitarists to organize their pedals and use them during live performances or recording sessions. It's all about creativity and personalizing your sound. Every pedalboard has a few key components that make it functional and efficient. Firstly, there are the pedals themselves, which can vary widely in function and complexity. Secondly, we have patch cables, which connect the pedals to each other in a specific sequence. Thirdly, there's the power supply, a critical component that powers all the pedals on the board. Lastly, many pedalboards include a case or a bag for easy transportation and protection of your gear. Setting up a pedalboard is an art in itself. It involves deciding on the order of pedals, which can significantly impact your sound. A common setup starts with dynamics and filter pedals, followed by overdrive, distortion, then modulation effects, and finally time-based effects like delay and reverb. Experimentation is key, as the order can dramatically change the sound produced. For those new to pedalboards, here are a few tips. Start with basic pedals to understand their effects. Research the types of sounds you want to achieve and select pedals that suit those styles. Organize your pedalboard for easy access to frequently used pedals. Practice using your pedals to become familiar with their functions and sounds. We hope this video has shed some light on the guitar pedalboard and its significance in crafting your unique sound. Whether you're performing live, recording in a studio, or just jamming at home, a well-organized pedalboard can elevate your music to new heights. Remember, the key to mastering your pedalboard is experimentation and practice. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the vast world of music. Until next time, keep strumming and experimenting with your sound.